Hi friends, welcome to our new video on employment news for mechanical engineers. Every Monday we will upload new employment videos here. In this video series, we are giving informations about government jobs, private jobs and apprenticeship training for mechanical engineers. This week we are included 5 government jobs, 5 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training informations. Most of the opportunity in this week are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. Let us start with government jobs. In government job section, first job is for Short Service Commission Technical in Indian Army. Indian Army invited applications from eligible unmarried male and female engineering graduates for grant of Short Service Commission Technical. Candidates who have passed the engineering degree course or are in the final year of engineering degree course are eligible to apply. There is no experience required for this job and it's a fresher type job. Salary for this job is 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus other allowances. Age is 20 to 27 years as on 1st April 2021. Selected candidates will be granted short service commission on probation in the rank of lieutenant. Officers, male and female, shall be liable to serve for 10 years. After 10 years, they can opt for a permanent commission or may opt for extension of service for further 4 years. Last date for application is 12th November 2020 at 15 hours. How to apply? Applications should send through online on website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Read the instruction and eligibility criteria details provided in the website. Click on Officer Entry Application or Login. Then click Registration. After getting registered, click on Apply Online under Dashboard. Next job is Colliery Engineer Mechanical at Gujarat Power Corporation Limited. Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited (GMDC) is a state-owned company and is a major mineral and lignite mining corporation of India. GMDC was founded in 1963 with the corporate headquarters is at Ahmedabad and its product range include essential energy minerals like lignite, base metals and industrial minerals like bauxite and fluorspar. GMDC are invited contractual posts from suitable candidates for Gokha Surka Lignite Mining Project Bhavnagar. Salary will be 25,000 to 50,000. Gross salary will be 40,000 to 75,000. Experience required is 1 year of experience in coal or lignite mine. Candidates are requested to read the instruction carefully before filling the online application form by visiting website www.gpcl.gujarat.gov.in. Candidates will be selected purely on the merit basis. The online written paper will be of 100 marks. Selection of candidates for the post will be based on the written scores obtained in the online examination. The last date of online application is 31st October 2020. Next is Assistant Manager R&D at Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited (SPMCAL). SPMCAL is a Miniratna Category 1 Central PSU wholly owned by Government of India. Objective of this company is designing, manufacturing, printing, security documents, currency and banknotes, non-judicial stamp papers, minting of coins, postage stamps, etc. SPMCAL is under the administrative control of Ministry of Finance. Online application will be open up to 18th November 2020. Salary will be 40,000 to 1,40,000 in industrial DA pattern of pay scale plus other allowances. Applicants are requested to follow the details, procedure, guidelines indicated in SPMCAL website. Candidates go to SPMCAL website www.spmcal.com, click on the career link and click on option Apply Online against advertisement 04/2020. Next job is Senior Officer Mechanical at Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited is a Navaratna public sector undertaking, is the pioneer and second largest national upstream oil and gas company with a pan-India presence and a growing global footprint. Oil is engaged in exploration, production, and transportation of crude oil, natural gas, and manufacturing of LPG. Oil has operation in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Mizoram, and several overseas countries also. This is a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Salary is 60,000 to 1,80,000 at grade B. Upper age limit is 27 years. Total number of posts is 18 numbers. In selection process, phase 1 is a computer based test and phase 2 is group discussion and personal interview. Candidates fulfilling the above criteria may apply online through the link available on the Oil India Limited website from 1/10/2020 to 30th October 2020. Next job is junior engineer for various ministries or departments in the Government of India. Staff Selection Commission SSC will hold an open competitive examination for recruiting of junior engineer for various ministries or department organization in the Government of India. The posts are Group B non-gazetted in level 6 pay matrix of 7th Central Pay Commission. This is a fresher type job and no experience required for this job. It's a selection through Staff Selection Commission. Pay scale will be level 6 35,400 to 1,12,400 plus DA. Last date of application is October 30. Applications are required to be submitted in online mode only at the official website of SSC headquarters as shown in screen. That's all for the government jobs. Next we are going to private jobs. First private job is mechanical engineer at Xylem Water Solutions India Private Limited. Xylem is a leading water technology company committed to solving water by creating innovative and smart technology solutions to meet the world's water, wastewater, and energy needs. Xylem Water Solutions India Private Limited was established in 2011. At present, Xylem India has its technology center and manufacturing facility at Baroda and sales office at Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, and Pune. The total number of employees in India exceeds 200. For more information, please visit their website www.xylem.com. Experience required for this post is 0 to 2 years experience with product design. Job description for the post are interested in conducting design reviews and working within cross-functional teams including electrical, software, firmware, manufacturing, marketing, and supply chain. Experience using engineering tools such as tolerance analysis, FEA, and 3D CAD modeling, etc. Job function is engineering project management, manufacturing type industry is there. This is a full-time permanent job and interested candidates can apply through online website as shown in screen. Next is mechanical engineer at C Laboratories Limited. C Laboratories Limited is the flagship company of the C Group. It was incepted in the year 1993 in the city of Karnal, Haryana. Today, after a journey of 25 years, C operates from its 7 state-of-art pharmaceutical manufacturing unit and 2 plastic manufacturing or packaging units. For more information, visit Z's website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 0 to 3 years. Job description is maintenance and related activities. This is an engineering project type job. Biotechnology or pharmaceutical is industry. It's a full-time permanent job and interested candidates can apply through online website as shown in C. Next is mechanical engineer at Height Engineering Company Private Limited. Height Engineering Company Private Limited established in 1976 in Pune based manufacturing firm with a team of 700 employees. Manufacturing of CNC lathes and other special purpose machines and executing turnkey infrastructure projects all over India. For more information, visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 years and the salary offered are 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. Job description is managing site execution mainly installation of machines supplied by Height, coordinating with the labor contracts and the client's in charge for execution. Daily planning and execution schedules with the proper manpower handling is required. Proper targets or milestones should be verified and required to achieve to complete the project. Role project manager or production or manufacturing is a construction type job. Functional area is site engineering. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can mail your resume or CV to hr.pune@heightwheelleads.com or hr.delhi@heightwheelleads.com. Next job is maintenance engineer at Microplastics Private Limited. Microplastic Private Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of high quality plastic injection component, tooling and sub-assemblies to automotive, power tools, applications, electrical, telecom and heavy engineering. For more details, please visit their website www.microplasticsindia.com. Experience required for this post is 2 to 5 years. Salary offered are 2,50,000 to 5 lakh per annum. Job description is candidate should be worked in a manufacturing industry. They should have knowledge of handling, maintenance of plastic injection molding machines and other utilities. They should have knowledge on statutory requirement related to BSM. Work location is Harohalli Industrial Area, Karnataka. Service or maintenance engineer is the role. It's a production or manufacturing type job and it's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can mail your resume or CV to vinod@microplasticsindia.com or apply through their website as shown in the screen. Next is FPD Marketing Engineer at Electro Pneumatics and Hydraulics India Private Limited. EPHL is located in Pune, is a renowned name in the metal forming industry in India and abroad for more than 47 years. Component manufacturing division leverages years of experience in forming technology to produce formed parts and assemblies using innovative and cost-effective alternatives. Experience required for the post is 2 to 4 years, and the job description is sales order punching in SAP, giving quotations to a customer, handling customer calls, email dispatch detail to the customer, communicative with the customer for status of pending orders. Role is marketing engineer. Industry type is manufacturing. Functional areas sales and marketing. Employment type is full time, and interested candidates can apply through online through their website as shown in the screen. That's all for the private jobs, and next is apprenticeship trainings. First apprenticeship training are graduate apprentices at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company headquartered in Bangalore. It is governed under the management of the Indian Ministry of Defense. HAL is primarily involved in the operation of the aerospace and is currently involved in the design, fabrication and assembly of aircraft, jet engines, helicopters and their spare parts. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. For the apprenticeship, the candidates should pass in BTech or BE in Mechanical Engineer in the year 2018, 19 and 2020 from recognized institute. 25th October 2020 is the last date for application. How to apply? Initially, candidates should register themselves in NATS portal as shown on screen's website. Thereafter, candidate is required to complete online application through HAL website as shown in screen. Next is graduate apprentice at Neyveli Lignite Corporation NLC India Limited. NLC India Limited is a Navaratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Coal. Invites online application from eligible graduate or diploma holders in engineering hailing from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka and Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, and passing during 2017, 18, 19, 2020 for 1 year apprenticeship training under the Apprentices Amendment Act 1973. Important dates. Last date for enrolling in NATS portal is November 3rd and last date for applying for NLC India is November 10. For the application, there are two-step procedure you can see in our screen. The list of candidates shortlisted certificate verification would be published at the website www.boatsrp.com under Organized Events and News section in homepage. For any clarification, candidates may contact through email tncop@boatsrp.com. That's all for this week's employment news. For the next week employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.